Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to configure shadowrocket on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your shadowrocket app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the add server option or simply tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, here you'll be sent to this add server page. Now what you need to do is simply tap on this type option, and then what you need to do is select SOCKS 5 or HTTP. And once you do that, here what you need to do is enter in your information like domain or IP, your port, your user and your password. And once all that's done, what you need to do is simply tap on the save on the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, here what you need to do is simply tap on connectivity test. And once that's successful, all you gotta do now is toggle this button on, and then you'll be asked to install VPN profile if it's your first time. Simply tap on OK, then tap on allow. And once all that's done, you'll be successfully able to configure shadowrocket on your iPhone. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.